Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Holism Art by Shipra Gupta. I hope you all are doing good in this new year 2025. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to organize our color box. Why is it important to organize a color box? Because it helps us knowing each and every color, single color given in the color box. Often, when we go for selecting colors for our artwork, we get confused because there are too many options available of each and every color. Like there are too many sets, too many shades of reds, too many shades of green, blue, purple, browns, yellows, and oranges. So we get confused that which particular shade of a particular color we should pick for our drawing or artwork. Now, the very first step to understand all the shades provided in your color box is to segregate them and rearrange them and place them back in your color box in a particular manner. So, without any further ado, let's see how we can arrange the color box practically.
It's a Camelin oil pastel color box which is having 50 shades of colors. So you can see here the colors are not organized and not kept in a systematic way. First thing I'm doing is to take out all the provided shades of peaches and orange. Peach and orange color. And I have kept a white tray by the side of my color box where I'm keeping segregating all these color shades. So I have taken out the colors, the shades of orange and peaches. Now I'm taking out all the shades of blue. I'm keeping them aside in that tray. After taking out blues, I'm taking out all the shades of greens. There are few more shades left there, so I have taken them out. Now I'm picking all the yellows, all the shades of yellow, keeping them in the tray aside. Now this is blue which is left in the box. I have kept in the area of blue. Now I'm taking out all the shades of purple, dark and light purple. Purple is the color which is also called as violet. Grey rose is a color given in this box which is a very light and pastel shade of purple. Grey and black white. There is one box, there is one color which is called yellow grey. I have taken out and kept it in the yellow family. Here I am taking out the shades of pinks, all the shades of pink, light pink, fluorescent pink, and dark pinks. I'm left with all the shades of brown in my box, which I am again taking out and keeping them aside in the tray. The two colors which you are seeing in my tray are of reds. Now I am placing back all my colors in a very organized manner. I am keeping all the shades of greens in the last row. There are 10 shades of green in this color box which I am placing here. You will find the names of the green on the screen. After greens, I am placing all the shades of blue. In this color box, you will find 7 shades of blue. Now after this, in the middle row, I am placing 4 shades of purple, then the 5 shades of pinks, After pinks, I'm placing 5 shades of browns. There is a shade in this color box which is called yellow gray, and I put that color in the yellow family because it's called yellow gray. 2 grooves were left where I have placed 2 shades of gray. Now I'm starting with the top row. I'm starting the row with black and white. After this, I am placing 7 different shades of yellow provided in this box. After yellow, I'm placing the dark shades of orange and 3 light shades of peaches. And at last, I'm placing 2 shades of red. So this is how I keep my color box organized, and this is the one box which I am showing you here. I keep all other color mediums organized in a similar manner. There is another oil pastel color box which is of artist quality, same brand. It is very much in use, but still I keep all my colors in organized manner. When you use the color box, it happens that your colors go here and there. So you take out time of 1 or 2 minutes to arrange them back. Keep the same family color shades in their right place. Now I'll show you how I keep my pencil colors in the similar way. You can see all the shades of yellows, browns are kept together. Greens are kept separately. Reds, pinks, and purples are kept, sorry, not purple, red and pinks, the shades of blue. So by keeping your colors in an organized manner will help you selecting the particular shade of a particular color for your artwork. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and colorful videos.